In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Santander UK mobile branches and ATMs near you step by step. Whether you're looking for a specific branch or the nearest ATM, following along will ensure you have the map information you need right at your fingertips. Let's dive in and make sure you're not missing out on convenient bank service locations. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Santander Bank's official website. This serves as the main hub for accessing various features and services they offer online. Once you're there, navigating the site is straightforward, but let me guide you through the specific steps needed to find what you're looking for. On the home page, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll typically find a red pin icon positioned nearby the login button. Clicking on this pin will open the door to a variety of location-based services and tools. It's the first step in our journey to locate a convenient branch or ATM service near you. Upon clicking the red pin icon, a search interface will be displayed. Here, you are given two main options to find locations. The first option allows you to input a city, state, or zip code. This will generate a comprehensive list of branches and ATMs within that specific area, making it particularly useful if you know exactly where you're headed or planning to be. However, if you prefer a more visual approach or are exploring, you can choose to use the interactive map. This map feature allows you to click on red pins displayed on the map itself, each representing a branch or an ATM location. Simply zoom in to the desired area to see all the available spots within that zone. This can be particularly helpful if you're currently on the move or planning to visit multiple locations. For those in Pennsylvania, you can focus your search even further. By selecting the Pennsylvania specific option, you can scrutinize individual branches and see exactly where they are situated. Once you've narrowed down a location, simply click on it to see a list of branches available there. When you find the branch or ATM that suits your needs, you can click on Get Directions. This invaluable feature provides a detailed map and step-by-step directions to get you to your selected branch or ATM effortlessly, minimizing any detours. Furthermore, if you're curious about the details available for each ATM or branch, such as the operating hours or specific features like drive-up facilities or walk-up services, you'll find the ATM details and branch details options. Clicking on these will display crucial operational insights, ensuring that when you arrive, you'll know exactly what services are available at that location. With these steps, you'll be equipped to find the Santander UK Mobile branches and ATMs not just near you, but wherever your travels may take you. By using these online tools, managing your banking needs is a breeze. Stay tuned for more guides, and remember, the more you know, the easier it is to stay connected and take control of your finances.